This is the Flysky Nirvana radio transmitter, and in this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing. So just a little overview. This is made by Flysky, but it uses the OpenTX firmware, and it has a 3.5-inch capacitive touchscreen. It supports JR modules, so you can fly Crossfire R9 or a multi-protocol module. The internal radio is Flysky, so if you have FrSky receivers, you'll need an FrSky module or a multi-protocol module. So let's see what we've got in here. First, we've got a decorative plate. It's cardboard with foam backing, very nice. We've got a sheet of pretty high quality stickers and a warning sheet that tells you how to put the batteries in. Next, we've got the accessories. First thing we've got here is some screws. And this is the JR module bracket. You can't put the module on the radio without this. So this is kind of unique because the module bay is usually embedded into the back of the radio, but in this case it's more like a backpack. You need to attach these brackets to the back in order to use a JR module. Next, we've got what looks like a trainer cable. Next, we've got the USB cable. This is for charging, playing sims, or updating the firmware. So they've included two receivers, and the first one here is the FX-X8B diversity receiver. And they included three antennas, so two to put on the receiver and a spare. Here's a little cable. And here we've got the FSIA-8X receiver. So that's pretty good. They give you two receivers. Next, we've got the quick start guide. It's in English and Chinese. Now for the fun part. So here's the radio. It has a cover on it. This is for transporting it. It protects the switches and the gimbals. It's pretty hard plastic and it kind of just snaps on there. It's a pretty snug fit, so I'm a little concerned about scratching the radio with it, but it gets the job done. At least they included it. So here's the radio. It's pretty hefty, has a good weight to it. It feels pretty dense. It really does feel like a premium radio. It's certainly on par with any of the higher end radios in terms of fit and finish. So yeah, you're definitely getting what you pay for. So I'll probably be throwing my Crossfire module on here and give it a few test flights and see how it does. Thanks for watching.